In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off X or Twitter sensitive content setting. So let's get started. There is no option to turn off sensitive content setting in X app. So we need to access our X or Twitter profile using web browser. Open any web browser and go to twitter.com. Log in with email and password. Now tap on profile icon located at the top left side. Scroll down and tap Settings and Support option. Next tap Settings and Privacy. On the next screen, tap Privacy and Safety. Now tap Content You See option. We need to make two changes in order to turn off sensitive content settings. First, check the box that says Display media that may contain sensitive content. This will display photos and videos that may contain sensitive content. Next, tap Search Settings and uncheck the box that says Hide Sensitive Content. Once you make these two changes, sensitive content setting will be turned off. So that is how you can turn off X or Twitter sensitive content setting. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.